EditClass is a new way to learn or teach filmmaking. It's a complete short movie to edit on Mac, PC, iPhone or iPad. EditClass is designed to teach the continuity system. That's the way filmmakers plan, shoot and edit their movies so they tell their story effectively. EditClass includes over 90 clips of movement, action, dialogue and B-roll. The package includes a detailed user guide which covers the story, editing workflow, editing tips, and intermediate techniques like manipulating time, adding cutaways, split edits, and montage. There are separate PDF getting started guides for Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, and iMovie on Mac or iOS. Thumbnails and descriptions of all the clips, the script, a soundtrack planning sheet, and a 34-slide PowerPoint which explains the continuity system.